In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to insert letterhead in Microsoft Word. So if you have any ready-made letterhead and you want to insert properly in your Word document, simply just go to Insert tab, then go to Picture. Here is my template or image. Click on it. Now it look like that. Right click on your image, then go to size and position. My document size is 11 by 8.5, so change it 11 and wide is 8.5. Everything is okay. Now go to text wrapping, select behind the text and go to position, horizontal alignment, click on alignment, select it center and go to related to and select the page. Same on vertical, just click on center. Now hit OK. You can see the letterhead was adjusted with page size. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe the channel for more new interesting videos. Thank you.